In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to insert a PDF file into a Word document. So as you can see, I have two PDFs here on my desktop. If I open this PDF, you can see it contains different kind of images and different fonts. So to insert this PDF in our Word document, firstly we need to take our cursor on the position where we want to insert it. Then go to the Insert tab from this ribbon, and under it we need to click on this drop down arrow which will be next to Object. When we click on it, then click on Text from File and select the PDF file you have. So my PDF file is in desktop. I need to go to it and then select the PDF file, and then we need to click on Insert, and it will give you this pop-up where it will ask that we are converting your PDF file into a Word document which will be editable. So we just need to hit OK, and that's how we can insert PDF file into Word document. Now I can edit any text I want. So let's say I want to type here something like this. I can type anywhere I want, but you cannot change this text here because it is inserted as an image. You can just move it anywhere you want, but you cannot change it. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.